Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this grill. It's like a barbecue grill thing and we're gonna try to put it together. So I'll let you guys watch me as I do the installation and put it together. Okay, so this here is the stove. I don't know if you can see me, but this is it. I put it up on top of this little rowing cart just so you can see it better, but you can see it kind of have the racks that come out here. You can put the stuff on top of here to do some cooking and whatnot. And then on the side here, this is where you will put in your fuel to get it burning and everything. We have this side here that opens. It's a little, I have to bend this piece back. It came a little bent, I guess. It got knocked around in shipping. And can I open it? But let me see. There we go. And so here you have your, you can put a little baking pan, whatever, to cook stuff in there and cook stuff on top of this little stove. So this is it. Comes with those legs that fold out and down. And this pipe up here can come off and it goes really high. So it'll get, I don't know if you can see, it's way above anywhere you're standing and stuff. So it comes with all that. It comes with the gloves, some of these little heat resistant gloves that you could use to handle it. But it's pretty nice and it all comes apart pretty easy. You can just take the pieces apart and put them back inside of it again, which is kind of how it came. And the legs will, once you get it all cleaned up and it's not burning anymore, the legs just bend back down again. So it becomes really portable and nice. So I'm gonna say this is a nice little grill. So I'm gonna say thumbs up for this. It's actually looks really nice and super heavy duty there and heavy duty doors and windows so you can see what's going on. So I really like it. It's good quality, nice and heavy, probably weighs 20 something pounds. So it's good, but it's also portable and then it's small and you can take it wherever. Be nice to keep you warm and cook some stuff up. Thumbs up.